Hi guys, hope everyone's keeping well during the current situation. Today is Wednesday, but it's not any normal Wednesday, is it, Holly?
It's your birthday!
Yeah, that's right. So today's my birthday, and we have, well, I say we, Holly's planned a lovely day out for me today, and we're going to Denbies Vineyard to do some wine tasting, and then we're booked in at Hartfield Manor. Nice little kind of country house hotel out in Surrey. So I thought it might be an interesting day, might be worth vlogging and keeping a memory of. So here we are.
Here we are. Sun's out. It's a nice day.
Yeah, the sun's come out after a week of solid rain.
So we're very lucky.
It might not be abroad, but it's the next best thing.
I think the wine tasting tour is inside, but hopefully we'll get to have a look at the vineyard as well. So it should be a nice day. Check out the Denbies wines. We are. Welcome to Denbies Wine Estate.
Right, first glass of fizz for the day. Oh, she sat down.
Cheers. Cheers, babe. Happy birthday.
Thank you. In the cinema room to start off.
Private cinema room.
Yeah, all to ourselves.
It's very nice. It's unusual colour. It's not pink or white.
Could be cider, maybe.
Yeah, I think.
So where did the planting of the vines begin?
Well, the area that I particularly recommended was up where I'm pointing now, an area called the Dell, where we've got our nice south-facing slope.
Varieties to choose from. Which vines were selected for planting, which would suit the soils and climate of Surrey?
There was a large mixture of vines that were planted initially, as it was quite experimental. There were French varieties and German varieties, so we had Riesling, Ehrenfelser, Pinot Blanc, Pinot Gris, Pinot Noir, Chardonnay. So even back in 1986, Denbies were really pioneering. It was very experimental in the varieties that they planted.
So all the flat parts of the vineyard are prone to frost. They knew that when they started planting here in the first place. They knew they were planting in a frost pocket, and every year there will be a nibble of frost somewhere or other, but every now and again it gets slaughtered, and this was a year in case. So it's very sad.
So we have just done the train tour as well after doing the indoor tour, because we thought it would give us a little bit more of an insight into the wine estate. It's been really nice, isn't it? Yeah. We've chatted to new people and made new friends, and seen some lovely scenery once we get through the
might do that next. So that's it, we're leaving Denbies. We did the indoor tour with the kind of cinema tour of the vineyards and stuff, and then the wine tasting in the cellar, which I wasn't really able to film. There was only 4 of us doing wine tasting, so it was quite an intense experience, but good nonetheless, and lovely wines as well. And then just as we were coming out of that, the last tour of the day to go round the vineyards was taking place on the kind of Land Rover train thing. So we jumped on that and headed up the hill, and obviously you can see here we've got all the views looking down, and we've obviously been really lucky to have such a good day weather-wise. Vineyards look really pretty, didn't they? And
Yeah, gorgeous.
Had all the kind of autumn colours coming through. Most of them have had the grapes picked, but there's still a couple left, wasn't there? There was the Pinot Noir and another one which I can't remember, a Chardonnay, I think.
Yeah, well they usually stay there till maybe like beginning of November sometimes, where they've had warmer weather this year. I think most of it's been picked.
Yeah, so I think it's the sweeter grapes stay on the longest, hence why those two are still up at the moment. But it's nicer to see anyway than like seeing a load of kind of dead vines that don't have anything on them. And we got chatting to people as well, didn't we?
Yeah, had a birthday girl as well.
And yeah, there's another person whose birthday it was, so we were chatting away to them, enjoying a glass of sparkling. And now we are heading across to the hotel to check out the hotel. Hopefully it's going to be as good as Denby. Hopefully it's going to be as good as...
Too much wine for you, mate.
That's why I'm not driving. Yeah. But it's my birthday, so there you go.
Very nice. Gorgeous.
Nice view, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice view. Hopefully the sun comes out tomorrow and we can have a little coffee out there.
Ooh, lovely little country escape. In case the weather's no good. I think there's a gym and stuff as well, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
Loads of stuff to do. Should do the trick.
Been booked in a couple of hours, so maybe we can go on the champagne in the meantime. So we just bought a nice bottle of bubbly from Denbies.
Did we?
Yes, we did. So we're just going to pop that open.
It's definitely from Denbies.
Yeah, it's definitely from Denbies / Lidl, but it's fine, no one will know. Even the tour guide said that she buys her wine from Lidl even though she gets Denbies discount. But
although it turns out Denbies,
they actually sell
theirs to Lidl,
yeah,
so it's not in
stock.
She's not saying she buys Lidl wine instead of Denbies, she's just buying Denbies at Lidl.
Well, I don't know. I think she was implying even after a discount it's still easier. Nevertheless, we had this the other day and it was nice, and we want to do a little toast for your birthday, babe. So
Don't drop it.
Cheers. Our little glasses from Switzerland.
Switzerland, from our first trip abroad together.
Yeah. Apart from one of them's actually...
They're very sentimental, aren't they?
One of them's got lost. There we go. Cheers, babe.
Thank you. Right, we're all showered and washed and smelling nice and changing our clothes, so we're ready to go out for our meal, aren't we?
Yeah.
Which I'm not going to film, so
Good night.
See you tomorrow.